Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Momo Makeup and thank you so much for stopping by. Super excited to finally get to share with you guys what came inside the 2021 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I'm sure that if you click on this video, you are already aware of what a Lucky Bag is, but for those of you who are not, Lucky Bag can be purchased every year. It is an annual event on the day after Christmas. You can purchase a Lucky Bag. It's essentially a mystery box. They have two different sizes and now they also offer Jeffree Star Lucky Bags as well, but I didn't pick any of those up. I got an original bag which cost me $75 plus shipping, and it is supposed to contain $150 worth of products from Beautylish's website. There is also a chance that you could receive a Beautylish gift card in your box, and it's just a fun way to explore the items that Beautylish has to offer. This is something I look forward to every year. It sells out every year, so you really have to be on the site the day and time that it launches. So bought it and paid for it on the day after Christmas, and I received it this morning. And we are going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm actually really excited to film this video and put it out there for you guys, because now then I can start watching other people's unboxing videos. I try not to do that. I didn't do it at all with this Lucky Bag, just because I don't want to already know what's inside. But once I reveal this to you, then I can go and see what everybody else got, if their items were different from mine. It's all part of the fun. Here are the contents of my bag. We will go over each item individually, and then at the end, I'm going to add them all up to let you know how much my bag was actually worth. First thing I see is this Storm makeup sponge from Juno&Co. This is their Storm Cloud with cloud technology, a groundbreaking latex-free formula of polymers whipped into an airy mixture that results in a super soft, lightweight makeup sponge in a professional black shade. So this must be a new product from Juno&Co. I love Juno&Co. I think their products are really great. So I do want to open this just to see what the sponge feels like. I'm really excited that this came in my bag. I'm definitely more of a sponge girl than a brush girl. So I love when I get sponges, or really any type of beauty tool, but sponge is the preferred method of application that I use for all of my liquid and cream products. Okay, so it's really nice, feels really soft, and as you can see, it has a flat edge here, and it comes to a point, and it also has like a mini flat edge on this side as well. So this is really nice. I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with this. I'm very excited. The next item I see is from Good Molecules. This is their discoloration correcting serum. I love Good Molecules. They are a very cost-effective skincare brand sold on Beautylish, and I am excited to try this out. I don't struggle a ton with discoloration on my face, but I'm sure this is something that can help to aid with like acne scars or things of that nature, so I am excited to try this. Next, we have a product from NATASHA DENONA. This is the Glow All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer in Powder, and mine came in the shade 02 Medium. I did pick up the light medium box. Obviously, I am very light skinned, so that is what I chose to go with. I'm not sure exactly if this is, to me, I believe it's like a body highlighter product to add glow to your skin, but this would be way too dark for me. So possibly I could use it as a contour or a bronzer. I'm going to have to check this out and play with it, but it's really beautiful. Shade is probably not going to work for me though. Why don't we swatch it? Okay, yeah, it's definitely more of like a bronzer type product for me. So I will probably just use this as a bronzer on my face. Next, we have a makeup brush from SONIA G, and it did come in a little plastic package, but I took it out. So this is a Pencil Pro brush from SONIA G. Her brushes are very good quality. I've actually never tried one before, but they are expensive. So let me regress and say that they are very expensive. So I assume that they are good quality. I'm excited to try this out. I love, like I mentioned before, to get beauty tools, so this will come in handy. Next is something I'm very excited about. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Luxury Palette of Pops color-coded eyeshadows. Mine came in the shade Dazzling Diamonds, so let's open her up. These are the colors that are inside. Absolutely beautiful color story. Let's do some swatching. Okay, so kind of hard to pick up, but here are the 4 swatches. I will say this, I think the palette's beautiful. I'm anxious to see how these shadows perform. I've actually, if I think about it, I don't think I've ever tried Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadow formula. But if I had one gripe about the palette, it would be the fact that none of these shades are matte. So this is not something you could travel with and create a full look. These are all shimmery looking shadows. So yeah, it's beautiful. Let's move on to the next product. Just mirrored this video go super fast. I'm on to the last product already. This is from the brand LINA CHOO. I've never heard of that brand before. This is a velvet matte lipstick mini set. Ooh, when you open this little set up, this is what it looks like. Look how beautiful that is with the glitter. I love that. Let's see what these shades look like. Okay, this is kind of like throwing me for a loop, but can you guys see that there's like fingerprint sort of like smudges on this? Like it's already been like touched. Definitely not the lipstick, but the component looks like it's been touched. This color is beautiful. Ooh, I love. Formula is very silky. This is a gorgeous color. These are all 4 shades that came in this little mini set. They are truly beautiful. Love the red color story. You have a deeper red right here, and then like the corally red, which was the first one I tried on. This one is more of like a ruby pink, like a mauvey red, and then this one is more of like a true blue red. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. They swatched really nice. They were super high pigment, felt very creamy and luxe. So I am happy about that. I'm gonna leave the total price of the box here on the screen. As you guys can see, was it worth it? When you add up the retail value of all of these products and they are full price, it's obviously worth the money that we spent. My 2 least favorite products out of this bag were these right here, the NATASHA DENONA Glow. Just because it's gonna be too dark for my skin, so I'm gonna have to use it for a bronzer, which is not, I believe, what it's meant for. And then this little product from Good Molecules. I just feel like every year they kind of add a little like cheap item just to get you to the total number of items that they want you to have. But that's just my opinion. I know Good Molecules is a good brand. It's just not, I'm not excited about that product being in my bag. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by this video. Now I'm going to zoom over and start watching everyone else's videos to see what they got in their bag. So thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.